Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the course of WordPress, and in this class we will see how to customize this header. Okay, so just directly go and click on this header tab, what you see on your left hand side. Okay, so after that we have this many options like the general, then the header, media, logo, menu, then social menu, and the mobile menu. So what you do is just click on this general option. Okay, so first of all we will select the style. Currently the style what we have for this header is minimal, so if you are just clicking on this drop down menu, then you will also see some other styles. You can select whatever. So if you are selecting the transparent, and this will appear as a transparent, and the if you are selecting the full width, center, medium, vertical. If you are selecting the vertical, then you will get the vertical menu over here at the left hand side. We won't be doing that as of now. You can try it out when you are doing this, but as of now let the style be minimal only. Then the height is basically the currently this height what you see over here for this menu is 74. You can even decrease it or increase it the way you want, and it will be increasing and decreasing its size, but as of now let it be 74 only. Okay, so currently it is messing up with this slider what we have on the slider is basically our next element, and it is messing with that. Where is my header? Okay, so 74 is more than enough, I guess. Then you can just put the header for full width. As of now this is not a full width, we are having some padding, some space around it. And next is header border bottom. So if you want this header to have the border at the bottom, currently it is not having, but if you want you can just enable it. In the background color, then the border bottom color you can select it from here if you want. So this is how you can customize our header over here. So this is all about the styling, and how to select the logo and all. We will see that after some time. Okay, so just click on this back button over here. Next is header media, click on this. Okay, so this is our header media. So sometimes some people tend to put the video and images inside of the header. You can do that from here, but I won't be recommending you guys to do that. So this, as of now, when it comes to the building the WooCommerce website, this option is absolutely useless. So we won't be making use of the header media option. So just click on the back button and go to the previous step from where we have came to this option. Let's just go back. Next is logo. Okay, so over here we have this logo of our website. We can change that from this logo tab what we have on our left hand side. Okay, so just click on this logo option, and let's see how we can customize our logo. Okay, so as of now by default this is the logo which came over here with this demo website. So if you want to change this logo, then click on this change logo. Then you can upload the logo of yours from your PC. Let me just do that. Let me just say change logo. When it comes to the making logo, if you want to make logo of yours own, then you have to go to any website like the logo maker, then the logomakers.thehot.com, something like that. One website is there. So now what I can do is I can upload the logo if I have on our desktop. Just select the file. As of now I don't have any logo, but let me see. Okay, so now let me just select this one. Okay, so now my logo is uploaded. I will say select. Okay, so from this interface you can crop your logo if you want, but as of now this won't look good because this is actually not a logo, this is some random image. So I will just cross it off, and if you want to design logo for your website and all, then let me just go to logo maker. Let me just show you how to do that. Okay, so logomaker.com, this is the website from where you can create a logo. Then there is one more, logo maker the hot or something. Okay, so this is another website. From these two websites you can create a logo for your website. So now what we can do right now is, let me just load this website. Okay, so once you upload your logo over here, if uh, it is having the very big size and all, and if it is increasing the height of this menu and all, then you can do one thing. You can change the height. Then just select this maximum height in pixels over here. So currently maximum width is given as 150. So basically this is the width of a logo. So currently the width of this logo is 150, and height is given as 92 by me. You can change the height and width of the logo from these two options. If it is too big and all, and if it is not fitting in the menu, then you can do that from this place. Let's just go back, and next what we will do is we will see how to give this menu over here. Okay, so next is the menu option. Click on this menu. Okay, so now when it comes to the giving these links like the home, shop, blog, about, contact, and the wish list, then the shopping cart, search, etc, etc, this is not possible from this step. We have to do it from somewhere else. But over here you can just select the visibility and all, where you want to position is where you want to exactly position it, whether on the left hand side, center, right hand side. Currently this menu is at the right hand side because right hand side is selected. If you want, you can select at the center and all. And if you want to change the color of this text, then the color of the link and all, then all those things you can do from this option. As of now, as you can see in the menu is at the center because I have selected the center and at the top. But if you want to give a few more options over here to our this menu, then what you can do is just go to the dashboard. Now let me show you how to give additional options over here. Okay, so go to the appearance, click on menu, and this is our main menu. Okay, so when you come to your website, the menu what you see over here on your website, let me just refresh this. Okay, so this is my website and it has this menu. Okay, so menu what you see on the front page, this is known as the main menu, and just make sure that the main menu is selected over here. So just scroll down, and as of now this main menu has the options like home, shop, blog, about, contact, wishlist, etc, etc. All this because all those options are selected over here. So now if suppose okay, so what we have done is from the top bar we have removed this my account and logout option. Okay, so we have to add it over here. So in order to okay, so these changes are not published, because of which my menu over here is at the center and over here at the right hand side. So I won't be publishing these changes. Let me just close that page. Okay, so now I want to add my account option over here. So what I'll do, I will just click on this and I will say add to menu, and now that my account option is available over here. Okay, so now if suppose I want to add a few more options like let me see what else I can add. Okay, so there are categories also present over here. So now if I'm just saying save menu over here, then I will get my account option for me at this menu option. Okay, now let me just refresh this. Okay, so now I'm getting this my account option. So now let me just scroll down below, and most of the websites they also have the option like shop by category. Okay, so if you're searching for clothes from the men's category, then the women's category, then the kids category, then what you can do is you can just make a list by category. So currently the these many categories what we have, which is casual, then the traditional, then the miscellaneous, then the sporty, then the trendy. What I'll do is I will select all these categories and I will say add to menu, and these are the categories. Okay, so what I can do is I can make a page of categories. Let me see whether the category page is present, or category option. Okay, so this is the WooCommerce point. What I'll do is I will put all these under this casual category. Okay, so just drag and drop. Okay, so now let me show you how it looks. Let me just save this menu. So I have put all these options under this casual option over here. I will come over here and I will refresh this. This is for the tutorial purpose. I'm showing you guys how to do this. Okay, so now under the casuals I have this traditional and the miscellaneous and sporty and the trendy, because I have put all these options under this tab of casuals. Okay, so now if I'm just going under the WooCommerce endpoint, then I have the orders and the downloads and the addresses, then the account details, logout, and the lost password. So basically these options are required. What I can do is let me just drag this account option at the end. As of now it is present over here. I want this account option to be on the casuals and the casuals to be on the accounts option over here. So because of which I have dragged it down, and I will say I will add all these options to my menu. Okay, so now I am having all these options, but I want all these options to be under the my account. Okay, so I will just drag it a little bit at the right hand side, and I will say save menu. I'll come over here and I will refresh this. Okay, so now I'm having this my account tab, and I can see number of the orders which I have, number of the downloads which are made by me. So I will show you exactly how to give all these options. Okay, so don't worry as of now. So this is how you can customize your menu if you want to create some custom link. Okay, so as of now custom link is basically if you want to give the link of some page and all, then you can create a link of your own. If suppose you want to give the link of any external website and all, let me just say YouTube. Okay, so I will say YouTube. If suppose I want to give the link like this, and if suppose I want to give the link of my YouTube channel and all, then I can do that. Let me just go to the link of the YouTube. Over here you can give the link of anything. Okay, so just for tutorial purpose I'm showing you. You just have to provide that link over here, and I will say add to menu, and now that link is added over here. Okay, so this is a custom link. I will say save menu, and if I'm just coming over here and I'm refreshing my page, then now I'm having this link of YouTube also. If I'm just clicking on this, I'll be taken to this page of YouTube. Okay, so this is how you can give the custom link also. But as of now what I'll do is I've created this custom link. I will just come over here, and I will do one thing. I will create a category. Okay, so as of now I'm having this category of the clothes. So what I'll do is I will come over here, and I will just put a X-tag. Okay, so X-tag is when you don't want to give the link, you just have to put the X-tag and say disable link, and I will say category. Okay, and once I do this, I will say save menu. Okay, so now I'm having this category option. I will just take this category option to the top, just above the schedules, and the schedule I will just shift it just below the category. Why this is not working? Let me just this was supposed to come just below this. Let me just remove all these options. Okay, so now all these category options are present under the heading of the category. So now I will save this menu. Okay, I will come over here and refresh this. Okay, so now I'm having this home page and shop page, blog page, about us, contact us, category page, from where you can just directly go and check out the different kind of categories. If suppose I'm making the category like the men's category, and if suppose I want to give the different categories over there also, then I can do that also. Okay, so now let me just give the custom link. I will say custom link, I will say men's, and I will say add to menu. Then I will say women's. I won't be giving any link. I will say add to menu, and I will come over here, click on this custom link, and click on disable link, and click on the women's disable link, and say save menu. Okay, so now my men's and the women's category has been added. I will just go to the top, and I will add it to the category. I will drag this also, and I will add it over here. And if suppose I want to give this tradition, this sporty under the men's category, and this trendy under the women's category. If suppose I want to give this under the category of the trendy, or under the category of the sporty, I can do that also. Okay, so currently I'm having this main title as a category. Then inside of this category I'm having the men and the women, and inside of the men I'm having the sporty, and inside of the sporty I'm having this miscellaneous. As of now this is confusing, but if I'm just saving this and viewing it on my website, then you will be able to make out. Okay, so let these changes get replicated. Okay, so now changes are saved. I will come over here and refresh. Okay, so now I have this category, men's and the women. If I'm just clicking on this man, then I'm having this sporty. Then again inside of this sporty I'm having this miscellaneous. If I'm just clicking on this women, I'm having this trendy, and again the traditional. Okay, so this is how we can give the categories under categories. So thanks for watching. This is all about the menus. I hope I have covered everything over here, and later on we will see how to customize our website and do all the changes to our website. So thanks for watching.